the question they are asking me in that video is, what if these individuals or this couple are already married? Is there anything they can do in order for them not to have a baby with SS gene in each pregnancy? And the answer is yes. Also have a look again at the explanation I gave previously. What I was trying to explain. When an AA person marries an AA person, in each pregnancy they have 0% risk, of having a baby with sickle cell disease. You can see there is no any S here, AA. So there's no risk at all, 0% risk. Now, for a couple where one is AA and the other one is AS, they can only have 50% chance of having AS, which does not give a serious problem. It's just that the persons are carriers. They are not sickle cell disease, so they have 0% risk also of getting a child with a sickle cell disease gene at each pregnancy, right? 0% risk. So they can marry, these people, AA can marry AA, can marry AA can marry AS, because they have 0% risk of getting sickle cell disease gene. Now, when it comes to AS male and AS female, or AS male and AS female, they have 25% risk of having sickle cell disease baby at each pregnancy. 25% risk. So this individual, they are advised not to marry at all. But if they wish to marry, or if they are already married, I'm now saying that there is an option for them. This 25% risk they are running, after fertilization through an IVF procedure, we look at the genetic makeup of these individuals, the hemoglobin genotype of these individuals. Once the SS is detected for that embryo, the embryo will not be transferred to the woman to carry. So selectively, those who are AS or AA will be selected and transferred to the individual in each pregnancy. So this is an option for them. So that's why we are saying these people can actually marry, but the option for them is that when they marry, in each pregnancy they will undergo they will get their pregnancy through an IVF session. After the IVF procedure, a pre-implantation genetic testing will be done to detect whether it is an SS gene or it is AS gene or AA gene. Once it's SS gene, the embryo will not be transferred to the woman to carry, right? Now, for a situation where the couple is SS and AS, SS, male is SS and female is SS, they have 100% risk of having babies with SS gene in each pregnancy, right? You can see SS, 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 SS. So 100% risk. This category of couples are advised not to marry, because in each pregnancy they stand 100% risk of having babies with sickle cell disease, and that's why marriage is discouraged in this group. Again, pre-implantation genetic testing and diagnosis cannot help this category of persons, because once you do the pre-implantation genetic testing, of course it's SS you are going to see, because the risk is 100% here. Okay, that is the main reason for this video. Now, having said this, those people who are AS have 25% risk, whereas those people who are SS have 100% risk of having sickle cell disease in each pregnancy. So SS are not advised to marry, because of the risk, 100% risk of having sickle cell disease gene, whereas AS can marry, but the option they have is to carry out pre-implantation genetic testing and diagnosis. Now, one good thing about pre-implantation genetic testing and diagnosis is that it can be used in detecting individuals who also have other genetic disorders. So it's not only hemoglobin genotype disorders that can be detected. There are other inheritable genetic disorders like muscular dystrophies. Even in sex selection, that is actually the procedure that is also done for selecting a preferred sex, either male or female, right? So that is the benefit of pre-implantation genetic testing and diagnosis, and they are readily available in Nigeria. It's available in Port Harcourt, it's available in Lagos, Abuja, and Enugu. Now, the issue with pre-implantation genetic diagnosis is affordability. It's still quite expensive in this environment, so it's not readily affordable, by an average person or an average couple. So that's the only limitation it may have. Otherwise, I think is a good technology, reproductive health technology that has been in existence over years. If you benefited from this video, please kindly share it so that others will also benefit. Goodbye.